The hip hinge is used to properly locate the hips and appreciate movement generation from the hips rather than the low back. Further, a good hip hinge is a prerequisite movement for athletic development skills such as the deadlift, snatch, and clean. Stand with feet approximately shoulder distance apart. Keep our torso tall and tight with a slight bend in the knee and hips. The core should be minimally braced. Have one hand on the abdomen and the other hand on the low back. Feel the bony prominence in the front of your pelvis. Just below this is your hips. Initiating the movement at the hips, keep a neutral spine, bend at the hips, bringing the glutes backwards as if sitting in a chair. The hips should be high and back. Some knee flexion is tolerable, only to permit the backwards translation of the hip. In the back position, tension should be experienced in the glutes and upper hamstrings. From this position, think about driving the pelvis forward to return to the upright posture. A dowel can also be placed across the shoulders to help with the movement, as we see here. Here we see how the hip hinge can be applied to the deadlift movement.